Hi, welcome to interview.com. I'm going to explain you one of the important Java interview question. What is the difference between comparable and comparator? But in this video, I'm going to talk about comparator with a code explanation. Let's see the code. I have a software engineer class. Okay. So before that, I just want to make a point here. Whenever you hear comparator or comparable, these interfaces are used for sorting the object set of objects. In order to sort a set of objects, this comparable and comparator will be used. Now I'm going to show you an example for comparator. Okay, so I have created a array of objects. Okay, here I have created individual objects, then I have assigned here, then I have called sort method of arrays utility. Okay, it's a utility class which has sort method, and I'm going to assign array of these objects. Okay, so what it does is, let's go to that class. So since I have this software engineer comparable implements comparable. Okay, so this compare to method will be called. Okay, so this object with the past object, so sort method will call to this object dot compare to with the past object. Okay, let's see. When I run, you can see that debugging portion. Okay, then one more sort I'm calling here sort with, you can see here I'm calling the array of objects plus comparator. Okay, the difference here is, if you go and check here, the comparator interface, actually it has a compare method. Okay, whenever you have a comparator, it will have a interface. Sorry, it has a method called compare. So if you pass two objects, software engineer 1 and software engineer 2, what it does is it will compare two objects, okay, for any attributes, and then it returns. Okay, so you have to understand one point here. Sort method accepts, okay, array of objects plus the second parameter is a comparator. So if you pass like this, what happens? Let's see. So compare to has been called. Since I'm interested only in comparator, I'm going to move to comparator. Okay, let's see the comparator example. So the sort method will be sort method will receive the array of objects reference, then the comparator, corresponding comparator. Then what happens is it goes to compare method. This method will be called. If you see here, now you should be able to understand. I'm trying to make you understand. Arrays dot sort method we have called, we have passed array of objects, and we have passed comparator, corresponding comparator. Okay, then from there merge sort has been called, and the compare method has been called. Okay, so the two objects has been called. Now what I have done here is I'm getting the name, and I'm getting the name of the second object, and the first object I'm comparing it. If it returns negative, then it is lesser than. If it is greater than, if it returns greater than, that is positive value, that means the first object is greater. If it returns 0, that means both the objects are equal. That means both the get name here, SE to get name, are equal. Okay, that's what it means. So what happens is I have given a set of objects, and I've given a corresponding comparator. Okay, I've given a comparator. So sort method knows, okay, this is the comparator and this is the array of objects. So whenever I iterate the array of objects, I use this comparator. Okay, so you can have your own specific implementation in this method, compare method, because arrays.sort method is going to call your compare method. Okay, that means here this compare method will be called. So it's up to you, whatever you want to compare, and return positive, negative, 0 value. Okay, so now it is sorted based on, okay, so Jim, John, Sarah, and so based on the name, it has written the value. Okay, based on the name, Jim, ascending order, it has written. Okay, so this is the use of comparator. So now you can compare with number of experience, you can sort with number of experience here, and you can sort with name as well. Okay, hope this video is useful for your interview preparation. If you're looking for a job opportunity, please submit your resume in our job portal. This is the link for submitting your resume. We will do the needful for you to get the right job. For more Java interview questions, for more interview tips, for more resume building tips, please log on to interview.com. It is next generation job site. Thank you for watching this video, and all the best for your interview. Thank you.